Hello friends, welcome to Squaird Plans, where creative planning and organization comes to life. I'm Stephanie, and today we'll be designing a lined vertical planner layout for the last week of 2023 in my health and fitness planner. So come plan with me. And I've got some washi tapes here all ready to go, along with these stat stickers I made on my computer, these Happy Planner sticker books, and this Planning Things sticker book, which I'll pull from. Okay, let's go ahead and lay down some wax paper and get started on this week's design. Can't believe I'm planning for the last week of the year. This year really just flew by. Specifically, the end of the year has just really, I felt like, accelerated. But I'm thinking for this last week, we'll do a New Year's theme. Again, I mentioned this in my last few videos, but it's a little bit weird that the holiday is actually on the Monday this year for both New Year's and Christmas. It makes the planning and decorating of the week a little bit odd. So I went ahead and did a New Year's theme here on this week, even though Christmas is the first day of the week. New Year's Eve is on Sunday, so it just feels like this would be the week to decorate it for New Year's. You know what I mean? But I don't know. It's nice that 2024 starts on a Monday. Don't get me wrong. That brings me so much joy. But it does make decorating specific themes tied to these holidays a little bit awkward in a Monday to Sunday planner. So what I ended up doing is finding a theme that's like a New Year's theme in the Planning Things sticker book from one of her newer sticker books, the winter sticker book there. And then I went through my Happy Planner sticker book stash looking for some older stickers that might coordinate with it, and found this nice box sticker from the Best Year Ever sticker book in black and gold, along with some black and gold colorful boxes, which I think will tie in nicely, and some sparkly, I guess they're supposed to be fireworks, but they kind of look like stars to me in gold foil in the older holidays sticker book there from the Happy Planner as well. I also have that Cheers quote that I brought in for just a little bit of extra quoteness. I do like to have quotes on my spreads, so we'll drop that in. I've already put in decor there at the top, using the top boxes mainly, and then have done an alternating black and gold theme with the boxes. I'm also playing around here with some of the washi tape I've pulled. I basically pulled a bunch of black and gold washi tapes in different styles just to see what might coordinate best. I do like having that black and gold confetti one there kind of vertically, but not exactly sure how to make that work. So we'll see how it plays out. I also came across these long bar stickers, which are good for checklists, but also might be good for tracking my food log. So I thought maybe I could bring those in both the black and the gold and see how I like that, coordinating them per day with the colors of the colorful box on top. And I'm just going to stagger them like I did the boxes, kind of like them not being in line, getting a little bit more variation of heights across the spread there in the middle. I'm also going to pull in these stat stickers, which I will quickly cut up. I'm just using a basic black set here to coordinate. And that is pretty much all I think I'll need for that part of the spread. Just going to look really quick and see if there's anything that I missed that I might want to bring in, but I think I've got pretty much everything there. I am sticking with just the balloon stickers from the sticker book. Not able to even really drink any alcohol at this point in my life, which is, I guess, good and bad, but I'm allergic to it now, so I can't drink, so let's just hide all that, because there will be no celebrating with champagne or anything like that on New Year's. I also just kind of like the balloon vibe best with the fireworks. So just that in and of itself, I think, is enough to really give you the party atmosphere of a New Year's Eve. Also, trying not to overwhelm the spread. I started putting a lot of things there, and then I just started to see it get a bit cluttered, so I pulled back a little and limited what I was putting there on the spread, and I think I like that better, a little more minimal. I'm also going to pull in the rest of these gold star stickers. Well, that's what we'll call them, even though I think they're supposed to be fireworks. And just kind of staggered those in as well. Thinking about clustering them a little bit more towards the stickers that are there versus just anywhere and everywhere, so that they feel a little bit more grouped, if that makes sense. So it feels a little more collagey and a little less, or not collagey, a little more like a sticker set versus like a collage of things all across the top. I think that will work out nicely, so I'm just dropping them in where they fit, but again, trying to cluster them together a bit more. And I think that's going to do it as far as stickers. I do want to put in some of that washi, which I'll do first before I lay in the stickers here, so let's get that going. I've got this really nice white and gold confetti starry washi that I really love, but it's very hard to see on white other than that, slight gold speckle. And so what I'm thinking is just to kind of use it as a layering piece, but then also layer over the black washi with the gold confetti just to up the gold factor and make it a little bit more prominent, since the white washi alone gets a little lost. So I've laid it in at the bottom, and I think I'm going to lay another layer here at the top as well. Just adding more of the theme colors, spreading that around the spread. I've been doing a lot of research, getting ready for 2024 and how I want to approach my health, since I have not had a very good few years, honestly, in my health department, and things need to change. So I'm excited for 2024 to come. It's the last week of the year, so I'll do my best to make it a good one, but I'm really looking forward to 2024 and getting that fresh new start going and making plans and hopefully being able to stick to them. I've got that washi in. I am dropping in the stat stickers now. We'll move on next to whiting out these lines so that I don't have to worry about it once these stickers are on the spread. I'll go ahead and do that, get that all cleaned up and ready for the stickers to be dropped in. The pen I'm using is a Sakura white jelly roll pen in a size 10. This is one of my favorite ones for this work, where you're just covering fine lines and things like that on your spread. Instead of using like a dry line or something like that, it's a really nice way to clean up some areas of your spread that you don't want to interfere with your stickers that you're going to lay on top. Next, we will go ahead and move over the bar area first, so that I can get a little bit easier roll off, if I can roll these off. And to make things even easier for myself, because everything is aligned in different areas, nothing's really consistent, I'll go ahead and just tape down this wax paper and then do a comparison of where things are laid and move them over one by one, the things I don't think are going to roll off very easily. I'm also going to prep behind the quote. And now do something similar here on the left-hand side. Just try to get those bars moved over. Also see where those stickers might overlap the washi and make adjustments. Oh, and then I moved the paper. Didn't work out when the paper moved. That's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to prep to try to move over these stickers, like I said, using that roll off. It doesn't go super smooth. I can only really get things off in little chunks because none of the stickers are really touching, which I've talked about that being a little bit of a challenge when you do this technique. If you don't have large stickers or touching stickers, it does make it a little bit harder to get a good roll off. But I will be able to at least get things down kind of where they were on the wax paper, and then it makes the smaller things that I need to move over by hand a little easier now that I've got the main things placed. And luckily these stickers are repositionable, so I'm able to make adjustments as needed. I feel like not all of the Happy Planner stickers I've had in the past are repositionable. Some of the smaller shops too. Sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. So it just really depends on the sticker that I'm using, how easily they are adjusted. So we'll go ahead and see about getting these other ones. They're laid down and rolled off. I think this black and gold theme actually came out pretty cute. I don't tend to really enjoy foils on my spread that often, but I do like it when there's a good contrast like this, where it's just black and gold, and the black is a high contrast in comparison to the gold. I think that those types of spreads always come out more interesting and more fun to look at. I'm going to go ahead and make some adjustments here to the quote, just kind of clean up around it, and also some of the black lines I'm seeing behind a few of these stickers, and decided to pull them down basically all the way to the tops of the bar stickers. And I think that works, so I'll just go ahead and finish doing all of the ones across the page. And once I'm done with that, you guys, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, too, go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!